Hi everyone, this is a presentation by Hannah Taylor and Jean Oliveira. The theme that we selected for our Zen Garden website was classic country music. We selected this theme because Jean really likes to listen to country music and even has his own Facebook page dedicated to country music. And I live in Nashville, also known as Music City, home of the Country Music Hall of Fame, so it seemed like a great fit for our group. These images were the inspiration for our website. We wanted something that looked like a vintage country music poster with a few modern touches. Our color scheme was red, blue, tan, and hints of brown. And this font, right here is called Rye, and it has a very western country feel to it. In the header here, we also included a wooden texture that looked like a guitar. One thing that we noticed when studying all of the country music posters was that they had a lot of stars placed on them in the headers and as bullet points and things like that. So we decided to add stars to our main headers here. And it goes throughout the whole web page, and this is in mobile view. So then if you scroll down and you hover over these guitar picks, you'll notice that they turn blue. And these were guitar picks that we created using SVG. And these other links will turn brown when you hover and turn red when you click on them. So the whole layout that we decided to use was very basic, like what you would see on an actual music poster. They don't have a bunch of fancy layouts. It's just kind of one thing after the other. And so at the bottom, you'll notice that the links are sectioned off, kind of like how you would see the different country music performers listed, and it's like having their names listed like that. And then when you drag out the sides to get to tablet view, you notice that these are still aligned here, but it's just added these margins that help so that you're not reading really long lines of text. And same thing goes for desktop view, just even larger margins. And down here you'll see that these sections just end up being listed. And again, I think it looks a lot like just the country music performers' names listed on what you would see on a country music poster. I feel like the most difficult part of this project was the layout. We did choose a basic layout, but originally we had some complex things that we were going to do, and it was just hard to implement the Flexbox and grid layout that we wanted. And so we stuck to this simple layout and included visual hierarchy in the headings to drag attention to each section. Overall, Jean and I had a really great experience making this website. We learned a lot about working in groups, and there was a language barrier between us, but we worked through it, and I think that we were able to come up with something really great, and we chose a topic that was interesting and enjoyable to both of us, which made it really fun, and it was fun to research all the details that we wanted to put into our website. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.